Hi and a very good day. I'm Yashika and my fellow group members Mohammad Amjad, Mazrambika, Mohammad Hakil and Ahmad Danish will be explaining about the case study 1. We will be explaining about the problem background, solution, filler table and also conclusion.
My name is Ahmad bin Shari. I will present the minutes meeting from our report. On 27th of May 2021, from 2 p.m. until 2:30 p.m., we decided the task among our group members via WhatsApp group. On 4th of June 2021, we worked on to solve the problem-based learning question via WhatsApp groups and Google Meet session from 2 p.m. until 3 p.m. On 18th of June 2021, we working on report writing and preparing slide from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. That's all for me.
Before I move on to the problem statement, I would like to explain about the integration. In mathematics, an integral assigns number to function in a way that describes displacement, area, volume and other concepts. The process of finding integrals is called integration. Along with differentiation, integration is a fundamental essential operation of calculus and serves as a tool to solve problems in mathematics and physics involving the area of an arbitrary shape, the length of a curve, and the volume of a solid, among others. The integral enumerated here are those term defined integrals, which can be interpreted formally as the signed area of the region in the place that is bounded by the graph of a given function between 2 points in the real line. Conventionally, area above the horizontal axis of the plane are positive while area below are negative. The case study that is given to us is a farmer who wishing to purchase this land would want to know exactly how large an area. Based on the ground plan, the land is bounded by the y-axis. On west, the x equals to 100. In the south, the lake described by the function y equals to open the bracket square root 2x over 10 close the bracket square plus 60 minus x in the north and the line x equals to 1000 in the east. As an owner of the land, you decide to do an earlier calculation so that the sale and purchase process will proceed smoothly. You sketch by sketching a graph and finding the area of the land. Then you also want to find the surface area of the land.
Good day everyone, I am Mazrambika and I will explain about the filler table. So for the filler table, there are 4 main factors which are facts, ideas, learning issues and also actions. Under facts, the first is a farmer wants to purchase land. Second, he wants to know the area of the land. Third, based on the ground plan, the land is bounded by the y-axis on the west. Fourth, the lake is described by the function of y equals to square root of 2x divided by 10 in the bracket power of 2 plus 60 minus x. Fifth, the limits of integral given are x equals to 100 and x equals to 1000. As the owner of the land, you want to calculate the exact area and surface area of the land in order to ease the process of selling. Okay, for ideas, sketch the graph for function of y equals to square root of 2x divided by 10 in bracket of 2 plus 60 minus x. Second, use the formula as below to find the area of the land, which is a equals to integral of limits ab in the bracket fx minus gx dx. So third, we can also use the formula of finding surface area of region by land bounded by axis using the formula as follows: s equals to 2 pi integral ab y in the square root of 1 plus dy dx to the power of 2 dx. So moving on towards learning issues, how to find the area of the land, that is the first one. Second one, how to calculate the surface area of the land. And moreover, what are the possible mistakes that could be done by the owner of the land while calculating and the area and surface area of the land. So the actions did was we went through we took some actions which are browsing internet, then UTHM online library resources, next mathematics websites and also YouTube videos. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Muhammad Hakim bin Azlan. I want to present you guys about the solution of this question. First, how to build the graph. The graph built by we use the quadratic function. And first, there's ax to 1 over 25, x2 minus x plus 60. And we need to find the minimum, which is x equal to negative b per 2a, y equal to f in the bracket of negative b per 2a, and we found the minimum of this graph, and we build the graph like this. Then the idea is by using the same y, which is 1 per 25x power of 2 minus x plus 60. We put it in the bracket, or we put in the integrate formula, which is integrate 100 to 1000 in the bracket of 1 over 25x square minus x plus 60. We integrate the equation and get it x power of 3 over 75 plus 60x minus x power of 2 divided by 2 in the bracket of 1100, and we get the 12879,000 unit power of 2. And the last is the calculation of the surface area. First, we need to find the from the equation of the equation is in square root of 2x divided by 10 in bracket of square 2 minus x plus 60. We get at the last after we expand and differentiate, we get 1 over 25x minus 1. Then we put in the formula, which is integrate a to b to pi x or y in square root of 1 plus the answer 1 plus x, which is x is from the y that we integrate differentiate just now. Then we put it in that and become 1000, integrate 100 to 1000 to pi x, integrate square root of 1 plus in the bracket of x divided by 25 minus 1 power of 2, and we get the answer is 5.5761.8318 unit power of 2.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amjad bin Nur Azlan, and now I will present about the conclusion. PBL adheres to the concepts of effective learning and teaching. It is student-directed, which develops self-sufficiency and is a preparation for lifelong learning. It also promotes active and deep learning. There are numerous learning skills to be acquired along the road, and they are learned in context and the entire process, from group functioning to issue resolution. This learning skill will not operate until these abilities are mastered. Not only that, but research shows that PBL offers several advantages, particularly for students. For starters, it improves student topic understanding as well as the development of abilities such as teamwork, critical thinking, and problem solving. It also helps the students by improving their drive and involvement. Furthermore, it is difficult for teachers to implement, leading the conclusion that teachers require assistance in order to effectively plan and implement PBL, whereas students require assistance in setting up, directing initial inquiry, organizing their time to complete tasks, and integrating technology into projects in meaningful ways. That is the conclusion for this PBL. That's all from me. Thank you.